This year, 5 ruthless teams will go head-to-head in a heroic cupcake time crunch.
They will have just 60 minutes to win over the judges' hearts by honoring 3 core pillars: appearance, creativity, and last but certainly not least, taste.
This is making me hungry. May the best team win.
Your time starts now.
All right. Everything from cream cheese down is for the frosting, so do that later.
Right here.
Tablespoons, dude.
Yeah, look up how many tablespoons are in a cup.
I don't have my phone. We don't have our.
I'm working on a compost.
Did you preheat though?
Is 2 tablespoons a cup? Oh wait, no, that's not right. It's like probably like
2 tablespoons.
no.
Wait, look. Let's see where we start. Let's look where we start the
This
cream
is the
cheese
guy.
frosting. So, okay, that's all for the cupcake. This is all for the cream cheese.
Making it's fun too, but really in the end it's kind of rewarding. Like you made something and then you get to enjoy it, maybe share it.
So right now I'm making this delicious cream cheese. So I'm just adding in the powdered sugar and slowly mixing it. We're calling it the Happy Farmer Cupcake. The farmer's happy because all of his plants grew. He's got raspberries, he's got blueberries, he's got lemons, he's got eggs, and he's got milk.
Quinn, medium low.
Green has no idea how to
Medium
use a
low.
mixer.
That was 2. Do it again.
I'm dead serious.
Keep going.
Dead serious. No, you gotta clean it up.
What? Quinn, just keep mixing it.
If I would have known better, we was making watered down scrambled eggs.
Purple has made a smoothie?
You think that's good? Or is that too liquidy?
I don't know. I've never made a puree.
This is kind of liquidy, you know, not gonna lie.
And now we put it into the watered down scrambled eggs here.
It's not watered down scrambled eggs.
Look, scrambled egg look-alike, look.
I think your guys' cupcakes are gonna be worse than ours.
Give me say that.
He agrees.
I wasn't any naysayers. Naysayers.
Get in the camera. There's supposed to be 3. We miss you, Max.
We miss you.
We miss you.
We miss
Michael
you.
misses you too.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, dude, are you sure?
Yeah, this is it. I've made like icings like this before. Takes a lot. More?
What?
More?
Less?
More.
I'm kidding.
I know.
No, you didn't.
Good.
Alright, looks like our icing is almost done. And this does look pretty messy, but you know what they say. A messy kitchen is a happy family.
I'm gonna be. I mean, they don't look that bad. They look like cookies.
Do ours look good, do you think, Solly?
They look fine.
The cupcakes came out all right, but it's looking like competition is going to be fierce. Good luck.
2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of strawberry puree, teaspoon of vanilla extract, just salt.
So right now I'm just transferring the frosting into this nice bag so that we can pipe it onto the cupcakes, which I've never done before.
How do I get this in here? Oh my.
All right, Pierce and I are waiting for Ethan to grab a piping bag. We're gonna put the icing in the pipe bag, pipe them onto the cupcakes. Make them look good.
Missy, could we get 1 lemon and like 4 raspberries?
These bags are really small. It's kind of hard to get. Quite small, just a little annoying. Nothing I can't work through.
My grandmother would probably have a heart attack if she saw that, because she's very...
Okay, calm down. So we actually didn't need all that.
No. If we wanted more strawberry.
You push it down and then you pull up. It allows for a smoother break.
Oh yeah.
Give it a peaceful response.
Oh yeah. And then we gotta like make it look, yeah, like that. Oh my.
When you inherit the bakery, you make good cupcakes.
Yeah, we do that.
It doesn't matter. I don't think it'll be.
Just start mixing. Is it creamy at least?
Should I start? No, it looks like cottage cheese. Should I put the powdered sugar?
Start mixing the powdered sugar. Mix the powdered sugar.
Oh, hey, chill it slowly. That's not
There's like nothing in there. Oh yeah. Go.
We're just gonna have to like.
That looks so bad. That looks so bad. This is about to be disgusting.
Like icing, this is liquid.
Wait, just wait a little bit. Let it mix together.
That looks edible.
Heard, chef.
Bro, no it does not.
Yeah. No, look at the consistency now.
We need more powdered sugar.
No, we don't.
It needs to be thicker.
It's not supposed to be cake.
I'm not really hungry.
That looks disgusting. That looks so bad.
That's not. You gotta put like almost like right here.
Are you worried about how the presentation turned out? I think the blue cupcakes are looking pretty good.
Oh my god, that is disgusting. I'm still gonna eat it, but like that looks really nasty.
Do these look good for presentation?
Oh, that looks really bad. Hey Michael, these look really gross, don't they? They do.
Is it good?
It's like kinda good. It's like kinda good. It just tastes like soup.
Now that the cupcakes are done baking and decorated, it's time to present them to the judges.
Don't go baking their hearts now. Let's introduce our panel of judges.
Mrs. Bukovic. She's the most experienced of the trio, returning from previous competitions.
Mr. Griggs, if he doesn't like your cupcake, expect to run laps until the sun goes down.
And finally, Dr. Smith. Make a bad cupcake for her and you'll go straight to detention.
Aw, shucks.
First up, we have the orange team.
All right, so we made lemon raspberry cupcakes with a lemon cream cheese frosting. On top is just half a raspberry and lemon zest for garnish. The batter is butter, powdered sugar, milk, eggs, a little bit of olive oil, salt. That's it. And some chopped raspberries inside of it.
So that's a little bit of lemon skin fragments on top of the icing. Is that what that is?
Lemon zest. Lemon zest.
Lemon zest. Can you buy lemon
Yeah.
zest in the store?
You probably had to make it, right? Did you shave the lemons?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we shaved lemon on top.
The cream cheese frosting is delicious.
The cupcake is really good too with the raspberries in there. It's just that right amount.
Yeah, when you hear cream cheese frosting, you think of it like being real thick.
Right, yeah, it's very.
You know what I mean? But it's smooth.
Yeah, it's very smooth. You did a good job. And the raspberry kind of matches the sweet flavor a little bit.
It sure does.
Complements it.
Guys, good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next is green.
We did, the lemon was for the actual cake. The frosting was the cream cheese part. It's yellow and white, the cupcakes.
Real straightforward, right? No mystery, no surprises, right?
Why'd you choose lemon?
Because it tastes good and it goes good with cream cheese.
The cake already looks like it's a good texture.
Oh, there's some pieces of lemon in here too. You put some lemon inside. Oh, excellent.
It's a good balance of frosting to cake.
Yeah, it doesn't taste overly lemony. And it's almost like an aftertaste of lemon.
Thank you guys very much.
Yeah, good job, guys.
Here comes blue team.
All right, so this cupcake is called the Happy Farmer Cupcake. He's happy because all of his crops grew. He's got blueberries, lemon, raspberries, and also his animals are doing well because he's got eggs and milk. So it's a cream cheese and lemon frosting topped with blueberries and filled with a raspberry filling, and the dough is lemon. And the dough might be a little thicker than you expect, but the taste is good.
I love that you gave it a name. I think that's awesome.
Yeah, I love the story. I love the story.
What was the thought behind the green coloring of the frosting? Any specific reason?
I wanted it to be dark green so it looked like a leaf, but the food coloring wasn't as dark as I expected.
Green's tricky to get right.
Yeah.
I like the raspberry in the middle. Excellent choice. Looks like
The
a little
raspberry in the middle
surprise.
is very enjoyable. Definitely a thick batter.
When you put all the fruits in your mouth, you're bouncing around on what am I tasting? The raspberry, the blueberry.
But the icing is delicious.
What's in the icing?
Lemon, cream cheese, and like sugar and stuff.
Okay, cream cheese.
It's very it's very smooth. It's very good. The icing is very good.
Good job.
Thank you guys. Great job.
Next is red team.
So we chose to do something like minty. So we put like
Cream cheese, vanilla extract, food coloring to make it like green. And basically we also put chocolate chips in the middle. So it's like a mint chocolate chip.
And cream cheese.
Tasting. So
it's minty.
I love the presentation. I like everything to be what it looks like it is. No surprises.
Chocolate green.
Very nice presentation. Let's see these chocolate chips in the middle here. Hold on.
Is this real mint as a garnish here?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
all organic. It was organic.
Oh, you grew it too? Awesome.
Organic. Very nice. The cupcake is very dense with chocolate. You can definitely taste those chips in there.
Is there any cream cheese in it or anything? Cream cheese?
It was the part of the frosting.
Yeah, I can taste the cream cheese and the mint and the frosting. Very good. Really well done, guys.
Thank you.
And finally, purple team.
Okay, so we have a lime and strawberry cupcake. The base of the cupcake, like the cake part, is lime, right? It's lime. You guys made it? Yeah, it's lime. And then we have a strawberry buttercream at the top as the icing. It's a different take on buttercream.
Okay,
It's
all
like
right.
instead of like icing, it's more of a soup. But
It's more of a soup.
It's more of a soup. It's all right.
It looks like it's been through some things.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
gonna taste like something.
It's okay.
It's gonna
Sometimes,
taste like something.
sometimes you know,
I
a hard
can't wait.
a hard road can end with
Okay.
a good sunshine.
The lime is nice in the cupcake, though. You can definitely taste it.
And actually, it's really kind of like light and refreshing, like spring-like almost.
Really? All right.
Yeah, I mean, your soup cream cheese definitely has, some visual things going on, but it tastes delicious, actually. Yeah.
The icing is better than what it may look.
Yeah, I agree.
Let's say that. Okay?
And the icing flavors complement the lime cupcake. So
Yeah, I was nervous about raspberry lime, but they actually go really well together. That was a good choice.
What happened with the icing? Did it not fluff up or?
Well, we apparently we were supposed to put the butter in, soften it, and let it cream a little bit. But we just kind of dumped the puree in with the butter, and it started to So it didn't really get the icing part of the icing. But yeah, it's all right.
I don't know if that's a cooking phrase of dumping doesn't really add up to something coming out.
Well, despite that, it tastes delicious.
Yeah, really does.
Very good taste.
Good job, guys. Your first time ever doing something like this?
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just received word that the judges are done eating. I mean deliberating.
This season's battle was a close one, but one group of competitors fought their way to a victory.
And that group is
the Orange Team. For goodness sake, that presentation really takes the cake. The cupcake.
Yummy.
Let's get a round of applause now for all of the competitors.
It's the yeast you can do.
I'm Adin.
And I'm John.
Thank you for watching another episode of Cupcake Battles.